Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fast Lane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, and today we have a beautiful 1969 Barracuda mod top. You probably noticed right away that the vinyl top on this car isn't normal. It's got a bunch of flowers in it, and that was a factory option for this car back in 1969. If you've never seen one of these before, I don't blame you, because I had also never seen one before this car showed up. Didn't even know that this was a thing, but apparently in 1969 and 70, you could get a mod top option on some Plymouth and Dodge models. They only ran for 2 years because they weren't very popular. Only 2,800 and some change cars were made with the mod top option. 2,600 and some change were Plymouths. They mostly got the mod tops. This one is one of 937 69 Barracudas that got the mod top, and 24 of them were Sunfire Yellow with the yellow and black mod top. Now, they didn't keep track of numbers of the matching interior cars because not every car got the matching floral interior like this one. The Dodges, you couldn't get the matching floral interior. They were all solid colors. I believe it was an option on the Plymouths, so it could be even rarer than one of 24, especially since when a lot of these were restored in the 80s, people hated these tops and didn't keep them on all the time, so who knows how many of these are even left. But this one is a numbers matching 318 and 3-speed automatic still. This is the correct Sunfire Yellow color, the correct mod top, and believed to be original interior. Now, the car, from my research, what I found so far was repainted sometime in the early 90s. I think it said 1993, and around the same time it got a replacement top, but that is the correct top on the car, and this is the correct color. It's got the 14-inch color matched wheels with Redline tires. The 318 was also rebuilt around the same time the car was painted, and now has a 4-barrel intake and carburetor and J heads on it, but still numbers matching engine and transmission. The paint is in flawless condition. Nice bright work on the whole thing, big chrome bumpers front and back. It also has the luggage rack back here to add to the kookiness of it, because this one is not a fastback. We had a yellow and green interior Cuda recently, a 69 that was a fastback. This one has the big flat trunk lid, so you get this sweet luggage rack, chrome filler cap there, and the interior is just as cool as the vinyl top. The floral inserts make their way onto the door panels as well, and onto the trim around the ashtray and the back seats. Green interior with yellow and black floral inserts. We also believe that that could be the original mileage, 33,270. The dashboard is in incredible condition. It's got the Motorola 8-track player in it as well, which is pretty cool, and the solid state AM radio by Plymouth. Doors open and close very nice as well. Just give them a slight push. They close flawlessly. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It does have power steering, dual exhaust. And we also have the original broadcast sheet for this car. So very well documented 69 Barracuda, and very rare with the mod top option. Again, I didn't even know these things existed until this thing showed up. And the top is also in incredible condition. It's not bubbling anywhere around any of the edges. It even goes down here below the rear window. One of the most unique Mopars I've ever seen, this 69 Barracuda. And it drives flawlessly as well with that little 318 and 3-speed automatic. So not only is it going to be probably the only mod top at the car show, something to really strike up a conversation with all the Mopar guys. You're not going to find another one of these out here, at least not easily. But it's also just a really nice running and driving car that's still numbers matching. So I'm going to go get Chris, and we're going to take this thing for a little spin and see how it drives. Here's your microphone.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me pop my door open. Oh, and we do have lap belts.
Neato.
And we have floral pattern everywhere.
Everything is floral because it's
I'm kind of sad that I have to sit in the seat because now the people on the camera can't see the awesome floralness.
It is floral.
Because I'm covering it up with my body.
Jake, we have some fuel.
We have some gas? Do we need more of it?
I think we do.
Let's go put more of it in there, and then we'll go.
And then we'll be off like a dirty shirt. I need to adjust it for the fat guy.
Although the 318 was maybe the smallest V8 option you could get in 69.
I believe it was.
So
I believe it was.
It's
so
economical.
Yes. It doesn't run on electricity though.
Basically a Toyota Prius.
Oh, it's the Prius of its day.
Yeah, but they don't make Priuses with flower tops.
No, they sure don't.
Make
and
anything.
flower interiors.
They don't make anything with that, which is a shame.
Yeah.
Because it's so cool.
It is absolutely neat. It's a notchback. It's cool. I like it a lot.
Yeah, it's very
all right.
unique. Good luck going to a car show and finding another one.
Yeah.
Unless you're
you
at
said
some
937 were made, but only
So
40?
of the 69 Barracudas, there were 937 69 Barracudas with a mod top. Now, of the Sunfire Yellow with the yellow and black mod top cars, there are 24, but they didn't keep track of how many got the matching interior. Because you could get a solid interior. In fact, only the Plymouths could even get the floral interior. If you got a Dodge with the mod top, you always got the solid interior. I think it was an option on the Plymouth, so not all of them got it either. So who knows? This could be one of one.
Could
Who
be.
really knows? It's definitely at least one of 24, and of the ones that are restored and still on the road, I mean,
the number keeps getting lower, Jake. It keeps
because like
getting
I
lower.
said, when these were restored mostly in the 80s and 90s, people hated the tops because they thought it was hideous.
Fools.
So they restored them and just put normal vinyl tops or painted tops on them. And so not a lot of them were saved.
Dumb.
Not only was this
Dumb.
one repainted and got a new top, but he put a factory original mod top on it.
I love it.
So it's
love it.
it's exactly how it was in factory. And I'm pretty sure the interior is completely original.
Oh yeah. How about that? The Motorola.
Yeah, the Motorola, I forgot to grab an 8-track, but we'll test it later.
We
But
will when we get back.
We have the 8-track player, we have the AM solid state radio, leather wrapped wheel like I mentioned. Very original looking interior.
It is so wicked.
It is wicked. He's gonna get some gas and then we're gonna go on a drive. It'll only take a minute. We are now full of gas. Or we have a few gallons, which is plenty. Because again, it's an economy car. Yep, mic's still on.
Okay.
We're good. Now we can drive. And our beautiful mod top and the fuel gauge is moving a little
It
bit,
moved.
so that's a good sign. Look, it even has, there's like a paper on the steering column. I
Really?
guess has been there since factory.
Oh wow.
I'm not really sure what it says. It's wrapped around the column. It's laminated, whatever it is. Nice horn.
It is. It's very nice.
Steering wheel is also green with that little Barracuda inside of it.
It's got metal flake in it. I like it.
Yeah, leather wrapped. Very nice. You got the blinkers on the edges of the hood too. Little indicators. So the driver knows whether or not his blinker is on.
It is. It's working.
I can see it from in here. Here
Oh,
we
and it's got a
go.
cancellation too. And does it go right? Yep, the right one works as well.
Self-canceling.
Love it. I know. Where are we in the future?
Yeah, listen to this little 318 go.
Notchback with the luggage rack,
Now,
which I love.
I read that there was an article on Meekum's website.
Go on.
This car is sold before, so they had a lot of information about it. When the car was repainted and the top replaced, around that same time the 318 was rebuilt, it still is the numbers matching 318.
Nice.
I've looked at the numbers with my own face.
With his own face, ladies and gentlemen.
But it now has J heads on it, I think they're called. And, which I think are 340 heads.
Oh, nice.
Don't quote me on that though. But it also has a four barrel intake.
Instead of the two.
So a bit peppy.
Oh yeah, it does run nice. It starts up real good.
Yeah, and still numbers matching 3-speed automatic transmission. Yeah, it runs fantastic.
Yeah, let's see. We're going about 40 miles an hour. It's very comfortable.
Tracks in a straight line. Very nice.
Brake straight.
Always good.
Always. It's a plus, by God.
The seats are extremely comfortable.
They really are. It's a comfortable car. It drives nice. I've driven one of these a long, long way, but it was a fastback, and it was, you know what, it was a fun car.
I was telling the people we had recently a 69 Barracuda fastback, same yellow, same green interior,
Exactly.
but it was solid yellow and solid green.
Yes, it was.
And I thought, man, that's ugly. But you know what? With the mod top, it really does wonders for it.
It sure
Because
does.
at least now it's extremely unique. And I kind of like the floral pattern. It's very cool. It's like I'm sitting on my grandma's couch.
It truly is. It's very old school.
And I mean, even Dodge knew that it wasn't really the most popular option ever because it only ran for 2 years.
Yeah.
You could get a mod top in 69 and you could get it in 70, and they made less than 3,000 of them total between Dodge and Plymouth. So
A lot.
pretty rare to begin with. but the fact that this one's still on the road in this condition is probably even rarer.
Yes. If you're a Mopar guy, you're gonna like this car.
Yeah. There's glove
the
box
light
over
works
here.
too.
Oh, all the lights work. The dome light works, I'm pretty sure. When you open the door,
That raccoon did not make it.
nope. You got a fan control and your heater controls up here. There's your solid state AM radio, big old antenna, so you can get all the stations.
Oh yeah.
All the stations you want. All the gauges seem to be working.
Yep.
Oil pressure is fantastic. Temperature's moving. Fuel gauge moved. The alternator's charging. You do have, is that a tach? Or that's the speedo on the left,
speedo.
sorry. We don't have a tach.
And it's funny, it just goes like 1, 2, 3, so you have to know, times 10. It says
Yes.
miles per hour times 10.
Very
Isn't
nice.
that something?
The carpet is also in really good condition. The interior in general is in really good condition. I think my seat has a small tear on the buttocks part.
Oh.
Just a small one though. But other than that, it's pretty pristine in here for being original. Very nice.
I like it. I like a car that makes you do math too. Are we going
speedometer?
3? No. What times you get
My
by
times
3?
10 tables were the easy ones.
Oh, I thought they
You
were.
just add a 0.
And 1s.
Fine. Yeah, the ones were easy too.
The zeros were ridiculous.
Oh my goodness.
All right, here we go. We're going
Here's
to
a beam
stop doing
test.
math now. Okay, it's a 318, folks. It's not going to throw you in the back and make you cry, but it runs.
It does run, and it runs quite good. Peppy
Yes, it does.
Le Pew.
Pepe Le Pew Pew. Oh, that's another dead animal. Boy, there's a lot of them on the road today.
They're still working on our old flyby spot.
Man, I miss it. They're doing nothing but work.
That parking lot's going to be really nice when they're done, though.
And then we can really run on it.
Oh yeah.
They're really going to love us. When the day opens, I want to go there. I want to cut the ribbon, and I want to drive the hell out of a car on it. You're going to do flybys.
Yes, I am.
I'm going to roll your window down for you.
Sounds good. I'm excited. I'm ready and I'm excited.
And you know, Jake, I want you to be ready and excited at the same time.
Oh, by the way, the windows are cranky.
They're not mad at you.
They're not mad at you. You just got to crank them to put
I
them up
went
and down.
looking for the...
Yeah, it's a column shifter. There is no console here. It's just the transmission tunnel on the carpet.
You got balance and fade. Front
Yeah,
and rear,
you
left
have
and right. Get out.
equalizers on your Motorola 8-track player.
Tone.
And program button. Very nice.
I'm
All right.
excited. Are
I'm
you
gonna
ready?
do a very tame flyby.
Let's do it. All right, Jake. Keep it under 150.
Okay.
I don't think he's going to have a problem, folks. It's a 318. There he goes. One of God's own prototypes, that one. Jake!
Hello. It doesn't
sir.
sound like it was making a lot of noise, but it does have dual exhaust.
It does, and you know what? It drove real nice. It sounded good, but I prepped everybody saying this isn't gonna. It's just
No,
not gonna put you in.
It's
the
a
back of the
318
seat.
automatic, but this up here,
That's what sells.
that's
it,
what
folks.
makes it cool.
Yeah, you don't sell the steak, you sell the sizzle. And
You're
this thing
selling
is sizzling.
the fact that you're going to be the only person with a big flowery top and
Listen,
flowery interior.
if you're a
even-
hippie, this is your car.
Yeah, it is.
Because you know what? Recycle, renew, reuse.
Renew, reuse, recycle.
That's right.
I think
knew it
that's
was
what
all
you were
ours.
trying to say.
That was exactly what I
Reduce,
was saying.
reuse, recycle.
That's it.
That's what it is.
Hey, keep this car. Don't bury it.
Exactly.
No way.
You ready to take
Wonderful.
it back?
It's a piece of American history. Let's go.